People asking questions. How can I make this year my best yet? Well, the first thing, whatever you want to do, you have to prioritize. Prioritize of what is important, what you actually want to achieve. Now, visualize. Visualization, it's crucial because that's how a brain works. You gotta visualize. But visualization is not enough without taking action, and you have to take massive action. So actually, when you set something to do, just go and do it, and do it with passion. Doing with passion meaning believing in what you're doing. Without that, nothing really happens. So you've got all those ingredients that you have to put in action. Now, be grateful. Gratitude. Gratitude is the key for your happiness. Gratitude for whatever you have achieved or not achieved. Be grateful that you actually were able to do this, because otherwise, on the pause of doing something is doing nothing. So you're already doing something, and you will have wins and you will have losses. So welcome both of them and be grateful for it. Wins to expand on, and losses to learn from. You can make yourself a weekly rhythm from Monday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Every day you focus on the areas that you want to improve, and you want to improve on all of those areas. So it's physical, mental, emotional, financial, social, spiritual, all those areas that you want to improve. So physical will be exercise and stick with it. Mental will be read books or listen on Audible, or emotional, contact, reconnect with your partner, and so forth and so forth and so forth. Talk to your partner. You can improve your relationship this year. Talk to your partner. I know you can do this. Try it.